Right, I've got the map up on the screen. It's Barneswick, not far from Preston. Is it Skipton? And it's an all right place. It is a motorhome stopover, and they have caravans, campers. You know, you're entitled to pull in at any time you want to, whether you stop the night or not. They do charge a tenner a night, but there is Elson Point, shower, toilets, so you know it's got all the amenities. It's normally on the car park, but they have, like as you can see, as you saw, I am on the grass. I don't know as they allow parking on the grass unless you're a tent, but yeah, it's I can rate it. I like it. There's a lovely walk, I'll show you in a moment. There's a lovely walk down the bank, and you get onto the canal, and you can follow the canal all the way down into the village. There's a cafe as you get onto the canal at the bottom. You go out of the gates and turn right, and at the bottom of the hill there's a cafe on the right hand side. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I am at the Royce Leisure Club, and I've had a couple go. It is now Sunday, just been in for a Sunday roast. They do food, and the bar opens at 5 o'clock every night, and they do food. Thursday is pie night, Friday is fish and chips, obviously. Today, Sunday roast. Don't know what they had last night, I didn't go in last night. But anyway, I'm tucked away in the corner here, all nice and tight in this nice and corner. It's I was going to say it's quiet. The road is a little bit noisy, but that dies off in the evenings. But as you can see by the awning flapping around, where I've just had a big storm. It's not the best of weather. Yeah, definitely not the best of weather. Look, the trees blowing around. But anyway, I'm sat in there editing this video. I had a couple of pints in the Sunday roast. That'll do me. I'll sit down now and rest for the rest of the day. Yeah, this place is Royce Leisure Club, and there's bowling next. They got bowling. They got bloody great big snooker tables and pool tables. It's a club. It's open to the public. It is. For anybody calling in at any time of the day, I'll put the telephone number and that up on the screen. It is, I don't know whether you can hear in the background a load of music. Well, that's going down in the town itself, Barnoldswick. They've got a folk weekend on, and it's been on every night, and it's over half mile, 3/4 mile away. And because we're at the top of the hill out of Barneswick, you can hear it. I am at Royce. Barneswick? Yeah, Barneswick. And it's a massive building. Nice and plush inside. Went in there last night, I had food. And I had steak and ale pie. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. I ate a lot. I'll show you more when I come back, but I'm going for a ride. Gonna get in the canal, I think. Well, I know the other side of that hill there, to the left, is the canal. It's at the bottom of the valley. Ah. Oh, ow, oh, ow, 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 ooh, dog poop. Man, God, there's some nice houses here, though. Right, this is when you find out you've driven all this way. And then there's no drop curb at the end. I can see there's no drop curb the other side of the road. Or no path that side. But, yeah. Oh, man alive. Yeah, there's no drop curb the other side. And there's no drop curb this side. So have I got to go all the way down there to be able to get off the curb? Oh, wow. No drop curbs anywhere. Oh, there's one there. But look how far I've had to go out of my way. Right, do I go down there and get on there? And then will I get off at the other end? Man. Yes, I could get off and lift the scooter up because it isn't that heavy. Look at that nice drive. I wouldn't mind going up that one. You know, but I'm strong enough to get off and lift it up. There was a drop curb there. Well, semi. But, yeah. They don't think about disability. You know, there's bound to be people down here that have got scooters and wheelchairs, but there again, this village, this town, it's Barnswick. I think it's Barnswick. It is on very steep hills, so I shouldn't have thought there was too many that would ride around on a scooter. Look at that house. That's beautiful. Yeah. Definitely some money up this end. Alright. Put you away. I don't know whether he's stuck on a mud bank or what. I don't know. Well, let's go a little bit further along here. It's rough, it's gravel. There you go. No overnight mooring, 1 hour only. It's Greenberg Field Locks. Oh, cobblestones. Oh, man. Oh. Thanks. Just look at the steering going.
We went to Australia, India, and it's still everywhere.
But each route is a different country. Yeah. Chris, no? Yeah.
Every room you went to,
It really was. We were looking at some, and a young guy, he asked a question about it. So I don't know how to find out from the factory people. So it's coming to
Well, that was certainly a nice ride around the down to the canal. Oh, postman. And now as you can see, I can't get off the bloody pavement. And now I've got to try and get over this. Ready? Oh, I'm over. Right, that's it.